This is my praying mantis ecosystem that has just passed 150 days old. It's been amazing to watch this ecosystem grow and evolve, and it's changed a whole lot in the past 5 months. As you can see, the plants have grown in and established really quite well. My favourites have got to be these climbing plants growing up the corkbark trunk. Without going any further, let's take a look at the star of the tank. Obviously, I'm talking about Manti, the giant Asian praying mantis. She's been doing great and has grown a lot since I first introduced her to the tank. After her latest molt, one of her wings is a bit folded and creased. I did some research and thankfully it doesn't affect her overall health, but a question for you more experienced mantis keepers is, what can I do to help prevent it? I'm going to give her some food at the end of the video, but for now let's put her back inside the tank and take a closer look at some of the plants. The tricolour fern at the base of the tank has pretty much doubled in size since planting it. All the Marcgravia species have sent out new stems and look absolutely amazing growing up the trunk. The fern moss planted on the corkbark is slowly spreading and doing really well. With all this healthy plant growth, there is a bit of maintenance to do. This is the Solanum Ecuador and it's been growing really fast and definitely needs a trim back. The Solanum green has also found its way right to the top of the corkbark. All these cuttings certainly won't be going to waste, as I'll be using them in upcoming projects. In the build video, I got a lot of questions about the silicone hinge that holds the glass door on. The main concern was whether it's strong enough. The glass for the door is only 3mm, so it's surprisingly lightweight. As you can see, I can pull the entire weight of the tank with the glass door with no trouble whatsoever. I've got no concerns about the silicone at all, but we'll see how it holds up in the long term. A cool thing about this terrarium is that it actually has a viewing panel for the inside of the corkbark trunk. The glass is getting quite dirty and I do need to come up with a way of cleaning it, but it's really quite cool getting this perspective of the tank. To finish off the update, here's some clips I got of Manti catching and eating her prey.